Singaporeans consume about 75,000 tons of fish each year, but only about 5% of fish are locally grown, with the bulk of it imported from neighbouring countries like Malaysia, Thailand and Indonesia. Well, Kalbara, the largest fish farm in Singapore, is planning to change that by ramping up its supply of locally grown fish. Vamita Mohandas with this report.
The conditions here seem perfect for the growth of barramundi, or what's commonly known as sea bass. I am here at the Straits of Singapore, where the largest fish farm in Singapore is located. It's a bright and sunny day, perfect weather conditions for the fish to be grown and harvested. I'm also told that the strong water currents over here is very beneficial to the fish because it promotes their growth. Measuring some 7.5 hectares, this fish farm houses the fingerlings which are grown into fish. The diet of the barramundi is extremely critical because it determines the thickness of the fish and in turn gives you a fuller fillet on your plate. So they are fed the finest ingredients such as corn gluten, soya bean extract and salmon oil. And I'm told that the smaller fish are fed about 4 times a day, while the bigger fish are fed about twice a day. Suitable fish are then harvested. They are then filleted, ice-chilled and vacuum-packed before being delivered. And after a whole morning of hard work, this is the final product. It is the barramundi fillet, served with kailan pasta, just one of the many ways the fish can be prepared. The chef tells me that because the fish is so fresh, it can be cooked very lightly. Currently, almost half of its catch is exported to Australia each month. But Kalbara has its eye on Singaporean families.
When it's filleted, it's very convenient. You don't have any bones. There's no pin bones also, unlike some other species of fish. We can supply the smaller fish, but generally the demand, I think, globally will be for fillets. And we are trying to educate the local markets here as well.
Kalbara counts Swissotel, the Stanford and Grand Hyatt Singapore among its clients.